The best side hustle to start with $10 and get 19x return on investment. Hey gang, this is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and today I'm going to share with you the secrets of getting 1,900% return on just $10. This is the best side hustle that I know of, and I've been an entrepreneur for 25 years. Okay, but before I start, I would like to remind you, always remember, you're more braver than you believe. You're stronger than you seem. You're smarter than you think. And you're twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy. So without any delay, let's get started. Let me show you what I did, okay? I bought this bicycle for $10. $10. And then I turned around and put this bicycle on Facebook, and I sold it for $190. $190 is what the seller paid me in cash. Okay, so when you do that, you see that that's 19% X returns, and I've been doing this over and over and over, and this is what I've shown you guys on my YouTube channel. I even wrote a book and a course on teaching you how to do this. Now, how did I find this deal? Well, I give you a simple ad that I have in my course you can download. I put that on Craigslist. A seller called me and he said he has 2 bikes for sale. I really didn't want to buy this bike, but I was making a lot of money on his other bike, and I said, you know what, let me help him out and buy this bike from him because it's only $10. So the other bike I'm going to do another video about, but I'm just going to focus on this bike. Both bikes I made a killing off. I sold this bike in 6 days. Again, I paid $10 for it. I sold it for $190 in 6 days. Okay, I didn't have to do any repairs. I didn't have to put any pump, any airs in the tire. I just sold it as is, and it was a very functional bike, and I bought it for $10. All I did to it is just wash it and take great pictures of it and write a great description. So there was 3 things that I did to this bike once I bought it. I washed it, I took great pictures, and I wrote a really good description. And I go over all these 3 points in my course that you can get by following the link below. I even give you the ads description. It's a copy and paste on how to make your bike description really good. So people want it, you just copy the ones that I have in my course and then use them in your own ads because they work for all types of bikes. Anyways, let me show you some pictures of this bike. Okay, so this was not I don't call this a home runner. Okay, or anything like that. It wasn't a really fancy bike. It was just a GT BMX bike. Normally, I don't even buy bikes like this because I like to make put $100 in, make $700. Put $100 in, make $500. So I don't even play around with these $10 bikes or $20 bikes. But this was a high demand bike, so I bought it. I quickly flipped it and made $190. So I put the ad that I buy bikes on Craigslist, and again, I'll give you my exact copywritten ad that actually gets sellers to call you, right? I've tried it for many years now, and I'm honed it down to be laser sharp, like a knife edge. And you put those online from Facebook to Craigslist, etc. Sellers will call you, and then you just buy their bike. For this guy, I met him, at my nearest Starbucks, and he brought 2 bikes in, and I bought both of his bikes. The other one was a Specialized, which I made a killing off of. I don't want to get into here. And this one, I still made a decent amount of money off of it. Again, just $10. Now, many people say, well, Mike, we can't make money in America. Mike, I don't have any money. Mike, I don't have good credit. Mike, I have all these sad stories. And look, the truth of the fact is, as a refugee to America, you're talking to deaf ears because America is a great country. There's a lot of opportunity out there. The only thing that's holding a lot of people back is their own negative mindset. It's their own self-talk, right? I just did a poll on my YouTube channel, asked people, are you happy? And over 60% of people said they're not happy. So when people are not happy, they don't have the right mindset. If they even see gold in front of them, they're going to say, oh, this ain't gold. If Jesus comes down, they're going to question that this is not Jesus. So with that kind of mindset, you can't win anything. I think one of the holy books says that you got to have faith of just a mustard seed, a little faith. That's all you really need in life, right? But most of us walking around in this great freedom country, America, now we're having our hardships. There's massive printing of money and all that other stuff, but still is a very, very great country to make money. Anyways, you can go to myrealestatedojo.com and scroll down to the bicycle flip and download my course, or you can go to mrnofluff.com and you just straight land into my bicycle course where I teach you exactly what to do, what to say, how to say it, when to say it, how to inspect the bike, how to sell it. I give you it's the whole business is a complete business on a silver platter for you, where I have even manuals where all you have to do is just copy and paste, right? It's so simple. Everything's done for you. And most people are not going to believe that you can make this kind of money with flipping bikes. And I'm here to tell you that, that's why creativity pays. And that's why I share my information with you, because this is a great country and you can make money. All it requires is you be willing to take a risk, which in this case, I had to put $10 up or $100 up, which is nothing. Many of you guys got this, free money came in from Uncle Sam. Well, there you go. You can put up 100 of that stuff up instead of going out to eat and drinking booze into your future, right? Put $100 up to get a freaking deal, right? Anyways, you can download it right now at mrnofluff.com. I hope you take my offer on it, because summer is coming. Everyone's going to be riding bikes. People got all this free money, and it's a great time to be bicycle flipping. So, champ, download it. Hit me up with your success stories. I love to hear it. There's been so many people hitting me up with their success stories. Just the other day, someone messaged me on Facebook saying, "Man, thanks so much, dude. I got your course. I'm on my third bicycle flip. And it feels good." I love to hear that stuff, because that's what's important in life, not material things, for me at least. Much love, guys. Don't take no for an answer. Remember, you're powerful. Peace.